Now that the upper clips are out, we have these 2, 3, 4. There should be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are Torx T30. They should come out. Except I grabbed the T20. So to Torx T30 and gently screw this one out. And then a zillion more. But as you can see, you can do it on the ground without lifting the car. There's another one here. Also just a plastic tab. Like the upper ones, so. Bring it up gently. See there's a bunch of these tabs, and that's it. One side skirt of the car. Now we move to the rear bumper. You have 10mm bolt, and once you remove that, all you have to do is pull it out. There are 2 clips, I think, here. You just gently pull it out. So as I said, 1 tab, 2nd tab. Next up, this 4 8 bolts. So 1, 2, 3. And up here is number 4. After taking these off, you need to pull the fender liner a bit, and then down here is a T30, which you also undo. Did I say T30? No, it's Torx T20. After that, we have a bunch of 8mm under here, so 3 here, 3 there, and then I think we should basically be good for pulling the bumper off. You need to watch out for these tabs, have to break them. It's only 2 hands. Pull it off like this, then same on the other side. that's it. Bumpers of the car. Everything is off. It's time to put it back together. As for the side skirts, these are the M side skirts, believe it or not. Not much difference, but they are different. Anyways, you have to get them in place like this. Make sure the hole is aligned. Make sure that the edges align, and then just clip them in place. Now let's see if it fits in the front, because it had a bit of damage here in front. Well, still fits.
Fits like a glove.
Like a glove. And then just put the pins back in. And that's it. Pair of M side skirts on the car, together with the black fender. So this is kind of looking like a police car right now. Now let's go to the back. And all we need to do now is put the rear bumper in. If you're installing backing up camera, this is where it needs to go through. Yeah, we'll have that down here, and then this will plug in here like that, and this blue plug then goes there. That's it. That's camera cables all done. So it goes like this. No, that's a bumper holder. Like that. Like this. And here's somewhere it plugs in. Also for an M bumper, these side carriers. So here you have two 10 mils down here. Here's one. Here's the other. 10 mil nut. Then we'll have T20, 3 bolts up here, and this one is rusty, could be a problem. Now once you've undone all that, you'll need a screwdriver. Unplug these and it should just come off. As you can see, and as I have said, these are different. Not a lot of difference, but this part here has a bit of difference. And yeah, I mean, they look basically the same. What the hell?
This one has this one.
Oh, that's not a big deal. But anyways, you need them because it's a different part number. This has an M sign, and there's a tiny bit of difference here, which makes all the difference when you try to put the bumper in. So basically now, just do it backwards from what you did. Slide it on and screw everything on, and that's it. Now, before connecting the bumper, we'll have to reconnect all the plugs, and that's something it's a good idea not to forget, because if you do forget it, well, you'll have a happy time then, taking everything apart and putting it all back together again. Did you connect the last one?
Nope, I'm putting the camera on. And voila!
Now that all of these are in, all that's left now is to place it inside these guides like this. This side is seated. How about yours?
No, I cannot do it. I need I need your help.
And voila, it's on. So now we have a police car. But what we also have is an M bumper with cutouts for double M exits for original M exhaust, which will be on the car, M side skirts. And now we are waiting for some parts in front here. And then we'll have the M140 LCI front end, because this is, as you can see, pre-LCI. Anyways, now all that's left is just screw everything in, screw the side skirts in, but I won't be doing this just yet because, as you can see, this car actually needs some paint work before, because yeah, we need to paint the bumper, we need to paint the side skirts, and we'll also need to paint front fender, which is also black, and we'll need to paint the front bumper. But for now, this is it. This is how you put the M side skirt and M rear bumper on your pre-LCI 1 Series BMW, in this case F21. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a like. Why not subscribe to see more of the crap like this we are dealing with. Anyways, as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!